Hi. My name is Eugene and I'm going to help you set up your teacher page. One thing to note before we get started. Please use Firefox as your browser. The website you will use to edit your teacher page works best with Firefox. Mrs. Brown sent you an email with this Google Doc. You may want to print this off to refer to as you work on your teacher page. The first thing you will do is go to this website. To log in, you will use your school email and your employee ID number. If you don't know your employee ID number, you can ask Mrs. Brown or look on your paycheck stub using the employee portal. Your next page will look like this. Scroll to the bottom and click Continue. Now the next thing you need to do is make sure you are set to use the correct Java editor. Click on the Articles button at the top, left-hand side of the screen. Next, you will click on Change Editor. You can see that button at the bottom of this list. Now, there are 3 different boxes here. In the box that says JavaScript Editor Tinium CE, click the button that says Current Version. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Now, you should be back to your Articles page. If you are not here, click the Articles button at the top left-hand side of the screen. From this page, you will click on My Staff Pages. Along the top of this table you will see article headline and ID. In the home page row, click on the Edit Article icon. First, we will be working in this top section. Under Basic Article Information, we will work from the top down. For Type, you will choose Main Staff Page. For Headline, you will leave it as Home Page. Tagline and byline will be left blank. You should see your name as author. Finally, click the box that says Don't display the headline for this article. Next, we will work on updating your information in this template. You need to change your name, add a short bio, add the school phone number, your room number, and your email address. In your bio you may want to include things like your teaching experience, interests, hobbies, or any fun facts about yourself. If you put your mouse in the box where your bio goes, you can scroll down to see where you add the room and phone number in your email. To make your page unique, you can change the font style, size, and color. I have circled some tools that you might find most helpful in editing the look of your page. Feel free to explore ways to change the look, or keep things basic. Now, if you have a website, you will want to have a link to it from your teacher page. Scroll to the bottom of the bio section and you will see the words, View My Classroom Website. Highlight all of these words and then look at the Tools buttons for an icon that looks like a chain link. Click on the icon of the chain that is linked. Now, you should see a window like this. First, you will copy and paste the web address of your classroom website in the Link URL section. Next, you will want to select Open in New Window in the Target section. Do not change anything in the title or class sections. Click on Insert to complete this link. Now, when you scroll over the words, View My Classroom Website, you should see that a line appears under them. This confirms that your link is active. If you do not have a classroom website, then you should delete the words, View My Classroom Website. Now we are ready for the final steps. Scroll down to the Publish Dates section. Make sure to put a check in the box that says, Don't display the published date for this article. Next, go to the Publish Settings section and put a check in the box that says, Approved. Finally, click on Submit Article. This will take you back to your Articles homepage. Do not close this window yet. Open a new tab and go to the BPS website. From the district site, click on Schools, and then find Leonard Lawrence. From the Leonard Lawrence site, click on Teacher Pages. You should see your name on this list now. Click on your name to view your teacher page. Double check to make sure spelling and punctuation are correct. If you created a link to your classroom website, click on the link to make sure it works properly. If everything here looks good, go back to the Articles homepage, where you created your teacher page, and log out. If you need to make corrections, click on the Edit Article icon. Make your corrections and click Submit Article. Congratulations! Hopefully your teacher page is created and online. If you would like to include a picture of yourself, there are instructions for doing that in the Google Doc that Mrs. Brown sent you. If you have any trouble at all, please talk to Mrs. Brown. She's happy to help.